Hey everyone and welcome. Today I will be showing you how to add FiveM to Steam library. So this is really simple. You can add any game or any software onto your Steam library using this method, not only FiveM. So what you need to do is simply head over to your library, and here on the bottom left side you will be able to see this option which says add a game. Now once we go to this, you can see we have three different options: add a non-Steam game, activate a product on Steam, browse Steam store for games. So we're going to be clicking on add a non-Steam game and searching here for that particular software, which is FiveM. In our case, we're going to be simply downloading, choosing that. Let's just say we have, we can suppose that any of these softwares are FiveM. So I'm going to be, let's just say this is OBS. Click on add selected program and it will be added onto your library. You can even click on play to launch that software or game and it will be done. So this is how simple it is. See you in the next one.